Hey everyone! Are you experiencing a blank screen while trying to verify your payment method on Facebook ads? Don't worry. In this video, we'll go through several potential fixes that can help you resolve this issue quickly and get back to running your campaigns. There are several potential solutions for a blank screen during Facebook ad payment verification. Sometimes it's a known bug that resolved itself, but there are steps you can try to fix it manually. Common troubleshooting steps. First, try using a different verification method. Some users found success by logging into m.facebook.com on a browser and boosting a post which allowed them to add a payment method successfully. Others had success using Business Suite or Business Manager. Next, clear your browser cache and cookies. Corrupted data can interfere with the verification process, and clearing it often resolves the blank screen problem. You can also try using a different browser or incognito or private mode. This can help bypass glitches caused by browser extensions or settings. Check your MetaPay messages. Sometimes, MetaPay support sends a notification with a link to verify your payment, which can bypass the blank screen completely. Try a different card or payment method. Occasionally, the issue is related to the specific card being used. Some users report success by using another card or PayPal. Confirm your admin roles in Business Manager. If you're using a business account, make sure you have the correct admin permissions for both the ad account and the payment method. Navigate to business.com and check under Payment and Billing. Finally, if all else fails, contact Meta Support. While results can vary, reporting the issue to Meta Support is worth trying if none of the other steps work. Are you ready to fix your payment verification and get back to running your ads?